Good day to everyone. I am Ma'am Jovi. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to use the various Java arithmetic operators. The Java arithmetic operators, the first one, it is the plus sign. So the plus sign returns the sum. Likewise, this operator has a special function. It is going to join two values, two string values, join or concatenate. Okay, so if we want to concatenate two values, we will be using the plus sign. Next, the minus sign, it is used to display the difference if we're going to subtract. So we will be using the symbol. For multiplication, we will be using asterisk. Okay, so the forward slash, the symbol is used for division. And the person sign, this use is for remainder. Let's say, for example, if we want to display the remainder, or this one is called the modulo operator, we are going to use this. Variables are the names you give the computer memory locations, which are used to store values in a computer program. For instance, assume you want to store two values, 100 and 200 in your program, and at a later stage you want to use these two values. We will be storing it into a variable. Okay. The following are the three steps. Create a variable with appropriate names. Store your values in those two variables. Retrieve and use the stored values from the variables. Okay. Let's talk about Java variable declaration. The Java variable declaration creates a new variable with required properties. The programming language requires four basic things to declare a variable in the program. So we have data type, variable name, initial value, and then semicolon. Okay, let's start. I am going to demonstrate how to use the Java arithmetic operators. Here on the search bar, I'm going to look for Notepad. So as you can see, it is a blank document. So we're going to include first the class name, so public class. So a class must always start with a capital letter as stipulated in the rule. So arithmetic operator. So it's a one word, operators, and then open curly brace, close curly brace. I'll just put comments here. This is called a line. This is a line comment. Okay. So the end of the class. Okay, I'll hit the enter key. Next. So I will be including the main method. So public static void main and then open curly brace string. Okay, string args. There you go. Open curly brace and another close curly brace. Okay, yeah. So there's curly brace. I'm going to put again a line comment. End of the main, end of the main. Next, the next thing that I'm gonna do is to copy this class name. Okay, because the file name of this document must be the class name, as I mentioned in my previous video. So file, save, and then that Java. Right, so I already selected the folder in which I am going to store my file. Once again, operators.java. Okay, so what I'm going to demonstrate is how we are going to use this one, the variable declaration. So as mentioned a while ago, we are going to use a variable. We are going to declare it and initialize its value. Okay, I'll be using the arithmetic operators. In this demonstration, I'll be using the int data type. So int, let's see, the first value is, I'll be using the variable first. So x is equal to, so is equal to, let's say, 100. Okay, so int is the data type, x is the variable name, this is the variable name, and then I use the assignment operator, equal sign, and the initial value is 100. And it ends, a Java statement must always end with a semicolon. Let's just try to display the value of x. So I'll be using this system that out that print ln. Okay, so I am going to call the variable itself x. Yeah, let's try. Before we continue doing the rest of the program, it is indeed a good practice to run first. So cmd, let us compile. So Java Arithmetic Operators. It must be exactly the same as we encoded rather, and then type Java. Okay. File not found. Okay, let's try. Why? It's a good because I did not enter into my directory. Okay, so what you're going to do if you encounter this error is you're going to type cd change drive. We are going to navigate first into the location. No? Where did I save the file? Next cd, and then the folder name I guess is Java underscore videos. After which I'm going to include dir. There you go. I can now see my Java file. So arithmetic. So I can now compile. We can now compile. So Java arithmetic operators. The Java. So there's no error. Let's run the program. So we have Java arithmetic, arithmetic operators. Okay. Could not find main arithmetic operators. So let's see. That's dir. Yeah, arithmetic operators. Maybe it's misspelled. Java arithmetic of, so arithmetic operator. Okay. Okay, there you go. It returns the value of 100. Why? Because as I mentioned a while ago, this one stores the value 100. Let's say we're going to change this and let's make it 200. Okay, file save, and then let's recompile. Java, there we go, and then let's run again the program. Let's be this one. Yeah, okay, so I called the other one, mali. Java, let's see the spelling kung tama, arithmetic. Ayan, mali kasi ito, the other one. This is the incorrect file name that I encoded a while ago. So it doesn't run. And, it's okay that an error appears. The most important thing is we know how to correct those errors. Yeah, okay. It is already 200. Okay, let us continue using the different Java arithmetic operators. What I did a while ago is just I only assigned the values, then I modified my program by changing its value, and then I displayed it. Okay, so let's continue. I'll make this 100, and then I have int another variable. So int x is equal, sorry, it must be different, is equal to, let's say, 30. Then I am going to what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new variable that will hold the values of the sum. Let's say sum x plus y. So we use this semicolon. I put comment addition. What does it return? It gets the sum. So I forgot to declare the int. I need to declare first and remove it here. I will modify it. I'll do it this way. So int sum int base sum is equals to 0, and then so addition system now. So what will appear here if I am going to use sum is the sum of 130. Okay, let's run the program. cmd. I need to clear this one. Okay, cls. Yeah, okay. So Java Arithmetic Operators, small p, that Java. Okay, I forgot to again. Yes, cd, and then Java underscore operators. Okay. Sorry. That's not the correct folder name. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. So I'm going to point dir. There you go. Arithmetic operators. Let's clear. It's too long. Okay. So Java arithmetic. Sorry, one word. Operator. That Java. Yeah, I am putting some errors, but if ever you encounter this, you know how to check it. Okay? As I mentioned a while ago, it's okay if an error appears. The most important thing is we know how to correct those errors. Okay, that, of course, you put that Java. Yes, so we have Java, and then the class name itself, operators. Okay? There you go. So why 130? Because it executes this one. So the value of x is 100 plus 30. So and then I call the variable sum because this one, sum is equals to x plus y. This is the formula that uh, displays the sum. Okay. The next thing that I'm going to do is to complete the arithmetic operators. What will I gonna do is to use my copy paste skills. Okay, so we're using copy and paste. I'm going to switch into Notepad. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just going to copy this. Anyway, I'm going to create first an equation. Okay, so we want to display 100 plus 30 on screen. So x is the variable. Last, we will be using to display the plus sign. It must be a string literal or string constant. I'm going to put plus sign here between. So that's this one. This one displays the value 100, and then the plus sign joins the symbol plus sign, and then it will join again the second variable. The second variable is y. And then we will be displaying the equal sign. So I'm going to hit plus sign again. And then let's put it inside the double quote because it is a string constant plus. Yeah, we need to say it will appear as is. Let's say brother, and then check if this one is okay. Let's recompile the program, and then, yeah, okay, and then let's run the program. There you go. The equation 100. Okay, so I'm going to resize this. And okay, as you can see, the x holds the value of 100. Then the plus sign, the next plus sign here. So the first plus symbol is has a special function. It concatenates or joins the value. So I put the string constant here so that the plus sign will appear. And then I call again the variable y. I displayed again the equal sign. And then I displayed the sum. Okay, let's continue. So to do the rest, I'll just copy this, hit the enter key. Okay, for the meantime, we'll do it like this. Ilan yun? 4, diba? 5. So, yeah. So, sum, and then difference, that's a T, product, prod, quotient, QUO, and then the last one is the modulo, mod. Okay, next thing to do is we are going to process it. Okay, after declaring and initializing, so this will become, it must be exactly the same. Let's change the operator. It will turn into this one, this one. So the comments of subtraction. Next, we paste again, we do the product, prod, PROD, and then we change this into an asterisk, of course, because this is a symbol for multiplication, multiplication. This one is only a comment. I am putting comment for us to know the function of this codes. And we have the QUO. Let's change the symbol again, the operator, and then quotient, right? The division, for division. And then the last one is the modulo. Sorry, we need to place it so that we can do it a little bit faster. And then let's change this one again. This is for modulo. Okay, modulo. What does modulo do? Okay, it returns the remainder. Okay, after which we are going to display the equation rather again. We will be using the copy paste skill so that it will be very easy for us to, it will be quicker rather for us to finish our program. Okay, then let's just change here the operator. Sorry, this must be a minus sign. And this will become, yes, this will become DIFF because the DIFF value stores the difference. Okay? So change it asterisk, and then asterisk is prod, right? Prod, we call the prod. And then two more, the next one, it's division. And so the division is QUO per quotient. And then this one, the modulo operator, MOD. Yeah, let's save this file. Save. I forgot. I'll be putting some comments here. Display the equation. Display. We'll be displaying the equation. And then here we're going to here are the formula. Okay. So let's save. After saving, let's now then recompile. So there you go, Java Arithmetic Operators. Then, okay. Next, oh, there are two errors. I forgot. Yeah, okay, it's okay that an error appears. So it's on line 17. Okay, there you go. You can see ayun, the so um actually it is very easy to debug if you know how to read errors. As stipulated here, yeah, I forgot the minus sign. So here, what we're going to do is to put the minus sign. Okay, it's okay. As I mentioned a while ago, it's okay if an error appears as long as you know how to correct the error. Okay, and let's go back, we run the program, and then, okay, Java Arithmetic Operator, there you go. We're done with our objective. So I displayed. So it adds 100 plus 30, 130, 100 minus 30, 70, 100 times 30, 3,000, 100 divided by 30 is 3, and then, so the modulo returns the remainder. Because if you are going to divide, there are only 330. 330 is rolled in 100, and then the remainder appears. Okay. If this video helps you, please click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.